In this video, we will compare Roon versus Audirvana. So let's see which one is the best choice. So Roon is the best choice for user interface, metadata, multi-room, and music discovery, while Avana or Audirvana is generally favored for superior, purest sound quality and lower cost. So let's start first with Roon. Roon uses a proprietary RAAT protocol for streaming. So let's see in here their actual feature. So the interface is highly polished, interactive, and info-rich. It's also convenient and flexible with integration for Tidal and Cobus. The hardware is also Roon-ready with AirPlay and Chromecast options available. It has server structure with controller and endpoint option. The subscription for this, although, is high. So next, let's see Audirvana. So Audirvana is something that is running as a desktop application, as you can see right here. It is good sound quality with local file playback. It has a functional and clean user interface with bit perfect focus for audio first. It has integration as well for Tidal and Cobus. So for this, choose Roon if you have enough money or Audirvana for the convenient option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.